Good evening, everybody. First, I would like to give tons of thanks to my customer, IDC, and all of my friends. I want to share my feelings and so much, bubbling in my heart. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं हिंदी में ना बोलूँ तो कुछ अधूरा सा लग रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मुझे इंडियंस दिख रहे हैं और मैं अपनी बात को बहुत ही स्पष्ट, सरल और सहज शब्दों में हिंदी में रखना चाहता हूँ और मुझे उम्मीद है कि यहाँ पर अधिकांश लोग मेरी बात को समझ सकेंगे। एमआई बिल्डर की शुरुआत आज से 30 साल पहले हमारे एमडी साहब SM कादिर साहब ने शुरुआत की थी और हमारा सिर्फ एक उद्देश्य था, एक लक्ष्य था और वो लक्ष्य ये था, इनोवेशन बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन। जो आप कल्पना करते हैं, उस कल्पना को जो आप सपने देखते हैं, उस सपने को अगर वास्तविक धरातल पर लाने का कोई अगर कसम किसी ने लिया था तो एमआई ग्रुप ने लिया था। आज एमआई बिल्डर, सच पूछिए तो हमारे पास कस्टमर पब्लिसिटी से नहीं, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से आते हैं। दैट इज आवर क्रेडिबिलिटी। मैं इस समय सबसे पहले अपने एमडी साहब SM कादिर साहब को यहाँ से धन्यवाद देता हूँ, अपने डायरेक्टर साहब मिस्टर कासिम अली को धन्यवाद देता हूँ और साथ में मेरे जितने भी स्टाफ मेंबर लोग ज्यादा हैं, इसलिए मैं अपनी बातें यही खत्म करता हूँ। थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी। थैंक्स।
Thank you and congratulations once again to MI Builders for having won Asia's most trusted real estate company. The Managing Director of Olivia. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Mr. Irfan. And once again, congratulations to Olivia for having won Asia's most trusted herbal skincare products, as every person needs the right skincare for themselves. And thank you so much for Olivia for having brought that. Irfan to say a few words.
Good evening. Thank you very much, IBC. Kaushik, appreciated. Consumer satisfaction is always upmost on our list, and this is for our consumers as much as our trade channel partners and employees. We hope to continue keeping our consumers happy and beautiful. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause and congratulations to all the winners till now, and thank you so much to that. Thank you.
award which have just been given to me, Asia's Most Trusted Ethnic Wear Brand. It's a long walk over here. We've been working very hard towards this for the last 22 years. And we started in the first store of Libas in Mumbai. It was a 350 square feet store in Petra Road. Today we have more than 50,000 square feet of retail space across India and also moving towards the globe. And all this is just possible because people have trusted me with their most auspicious and most important event of their day, the wedding day basically. And we have dressed more than 25,000 families, I would say, not groups, just the groups. But individually, I have personally catered to more than 25,000 rooms in my life, and still counting. And thank you so much for having us over here, and really, really appreciate this moment. And once again, thank you so much. Thanks for the great evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations. Riyaz, I remember coming to your first store at ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause to Asia's most trusted footwear brand going to Paragon. Well, a brand which the entire country is really familiar with, and congratulations, sir, from our behalf for having won on the same. Well, an applause to the person who just did an applause for that. I love an interactive audience, so I know we're a good bunch of us, so let's give each other a lot of energy. And I would request now, sir, to kindly say a few words.
Thank you. First of all, I want to thank that MRG Group and IBC Group, for even giving us the India's most trusted brand also, which we got in 2016. For that, I thank Mr. Hemant Kaushik and also the chief guest also for today's event. Paragon is, we call it Paragon India's number footwear brand because we make 140 million pairs, like 14 crores pairs a day, a year. So we believe we are the number one footwear company. The only reason the whole credit goes to only our staff, and I'm part of the family. It's a family business, but I always credit the staff. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and come and walk on the stage. It's going to be an immense moment of pride as they won Asia's most trusted business school, University College of Business Studies. Gentlemen, more smiles on the stage as you're receiving the award. Look how he smiles when we're saying that. And this is going to be one memorable picture. Congratulations, and may I now request University College of Business Studies, Sir Mr. S.S. Naka and Mr. Shashikant to kindly say a few words.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening. I feel delighted, humbled and honored on receiving this award. Thanks to Mr. Kaushik and his team for organizing this event in such a wonderful place. Well, our institutions, University College of Business Studies, is an autonomous institution under the umbrella of Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. We are imparting quality education to the students who do not come only from the different parts of the country, India. Rather, 50% of the students in our institution, they are from different parts of the Asia. Thank you once again. These awards mean a lot of us. Thank you once again. I wish all the award winners a very colorful evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to University College of Business Studies for having back Asia's most trusted business school.